Hurricane Ian is now headed towards South Carolina as a Category 1 storm. This is the death toll continues to rise in Florida. According to CNN, 19 people in Florida have been killed, and that number is expected to go up as search and rescue efforts are ongoing.
This could be the deadliest hurricane in Florida's history. The numbers are still unclear, but we're hearing early reports of what may be substantial loss of life.
Ian has left behind death and catastrophic destruction, with homes underwater, debris for miles, and even fires breaking out due to gas leaks. It also brought flooding and storm surges, with multiple communities being wiped out. Orlando has seen historic flooding, and the water levels could remain high for some time, according to officials. As of this morning, more than 2 million people remain without power. Yesterday, search crews went door to door across the state looking for those that may have been stranded in their homes. The streets surrounding those homes have been turned into canals. In Naples, one woman had to be rescued from her car that was surrounded by floodwaters. And in Fort Myers, a beach plaza was decimated, a nearby trailer park destroyed.
You watch things starting to fly. Luna and I went off. Part of the roof went off. The rest of the roof went off. The walls caved in. But I literally watched my house disappear with everything in it. Right before my eyes.
In a press conference yesterday, Florida's Governor Ron DeSantis said there had been 700 confirmed rescues across the state, some of those happening at Sanibel Island after the storm destroyed the only bridge to the barrier island, which is close to Fort Myers. Those stranded have had to be airlifted out or taken by boats. Hurricane Ian struck with 150-mile-per-hour winds, which made it the 5th strongest hurricane to ever hit the United States. Ian is expected to make landfall in South Carolina midday today. North Carolina and Virginia are also bracing for heavy rains and possible flooding. In the newsroom, I'm Erin Myers. Megan, I'll send it back to you in the studio.